Hello, are you looking better career prospect as a TIG welder? Then BCM Group is here for your service. Hi, I'm HR Sanjoti from BCM Group. BCM Group is international recruitment firm. We are authorized by Ministry of External Affairs Government of India. We have placed 1000 plus candidates globally. Right now we have new opening for Romania country for TIG welders. For Romania, salary will be 600 USD, which is in Indian currency it is 50,000 rupees per month in hand. Your working days will be 5 days 8 hours and it's 2-year contract period. Apart from this, you will get food coupons, accommodation, transportation and medical allowances. And your selection process based on your working video and client interview. Candidates should have specialized in creating high quality weld by using CS and SS metal. Candidates should have more than 5-year experience in TIG welder. Candidates should have valid passport and candidates should know basic communication of English. Also, required documents is updated CV and your working video and your experience letter and your education certificates. So if you have all these skills and you want to explore more about Romania country, then just contact us on 9555446699 or you can visit our website also www.bcmgroup.in. Thank you.